Hi, I'm Effie. Selecting your machine is the first step in your journey to get making with Cricut. So I'm here today to answer everyone's burning question. Which Cricut machine is right for me? There's also a great machine quiz tool on Cricut.com where you can get a custom recommendation in less than 2 minutes. Let's dive right in. There are 5 types of Cricut machines to choose from, and each was designed for a different purpose and different kinds of makers. We have the Cricut Joy and Joy Xtra, our smallest machines, which are perfect for small, everyday projects like cards, labels, and vinyl stickers. Our mid-range machines, the Cricut Explore and Maker, can make larger projects like banners and wall decals, multiples, and gives you the ability to make a larger variety of projects. And our largest machine, the Cricut Venture. This is a much bigger, more robust, and faster machine. We won't be covering this machine here, but the Venture is a great option for our most serious crafters or those that are looking to sell the things that they make. All these machines are beginner-friendly, high quality, and easy to learn, with an easy setup process that will get you making in minutes, regardless of the machine you choose. The machine you need simply depends on the size and types of projects you want to make and the amount of space you have to craft. The Cricut Joy and the Cricut Joy Xtra are great options if you're short on space or just want something compact and portable. You can take them with you wherever you want to create and put them away when you're done. Though they're small, they still work with over 50 materials, including smart materials, so you can cut without a mat and save some time. When you open the lid of a Cricut Joy or a Joy Xtra, you'll see that there's only one tool carriage where your cutting tool or pen are inserted. That's this little guy right here. To switch between blade and pen, simply unclamp, remove your blade, and insert your pen. The Joy Pen can be used to draw embellishments on projects, create labels, and so much more. When you're done drawing, remove the pen, reinsert your tool, and you're ready for your next project. The Cricut Joy is our smallest cutting machine, weighing in at just under 4 pounds. It cuts designs up to 4.5 inches wide and up to 11.5 inches long on a mat, or up to 4.5 inches wide and 4 feet long when you use smart materials. One thing the Joy cannot do that our other machines can is print and cut. This feature allows you, in conjunction with your home printer, to print out full color images that your Cricut can then cut. So if you love the small size of the Joy, but you're really excited about making things like full color stickers, you should consider the Joy Xtra. In addition to the print and cut feature, the Joy Xtra can cut up to a standard size sheet of paper, and with smart materials, like this, you can cut up to 20 feet in length. At just 6 pounds, it's a really great size for most crafters, and if you only want to work with materials like vinyl, iron-on, paper, or stickers, it's super convenient to pull out, use it, and then store it away. Let's move on to the Cricut Explore 4 and the Cricut Maker 4. These machines give you the ability to make much larger projects and the option to work with a lot more materials. Both machines have the same cutting dimensions and use the same mats. You can choose from 12 by 12 or 12 by 24 inches in light grip for materials like paper, standard grip for vinyls and iron-ons, and strong grip for mat board or bonded fabric. Or you can cut smart materials up to 12 feet. They also use 3 of the same tools. The fine point blade, perfect for the most common materials like paper, cardstock, vinyl, and iron-on. Our bonded fabric blade for more intricate cuts on bonded fabric or fabrics with an iron-on backer. And the deep point blade, which is ideal for thicker materials such as magnet, thick cardstock, stiffened felt, and foam sheets. Let's take a look inside. You'll notice that both machines have an A and a B clamp. The B side is where all the blades are inserted, and the A side is perfectly sized for Cricut pens or scoring stylus. The scoring stylus will create score line for perfect folds in your custom-made cards, envelopes, or 3D paper projects. So you only have to load your machine clamps once, and you can cut, draw, write, or score on your designs. The Cricut Explore is our most popular machine. It's compatible with 6 tools: the 3 blades I mentioned, pens and markers, the scoring stylus, and our foil transfer tool, so you can embellish your projects with a pro-level finish, just like this. With the Explorer, you can cut over 100 different materials. Everything from the most popular craft materials like cardstock, vinyl, and iron-on, to specialty materials like glittery paper, foam, and bonded fabric. So it's perfect for most people looking to get started with Cricut. The Cricut Maker can cut all of those and more. In fact, up to 300 different materials, all the way from delicate paper and fabric to tough stuff like matboard, leather, and basswood. That's because the Maker's adaptive tool system will grow with you as your desire to make different things grows. We have the rotary blade, which can cut through unbacked fabric and delicate papers like crepe paper. We have the knife blade, which can cut through thick materials like leather, chipboard, and balsa wood. The scoring wheel has a single and a double wheel that can create crisp fold lines in thick materials like poster board. The scoring wheel is part of the quick swap housing system, which comes with many different tools that are easily interchangeable. You have the wavy wheel, the debossing tip, the perforation blade, and the engraving tool. To sum up, if you're looking for something that doesn't take up too much space and primarily want to make cards, vinyl stickers, and other quick, everyday projects, then we would recommend the Cricut Joy. Or, for a little more functionality while keeping that compact size, we recommend the Cricut Joy Xtra. If you'll primarily be making with paper, vinyl, iron-on, or some thicker materials like foam or poster board and want a larger cutting size, we'd recommend the Cricut Explore. If your making style is all about possibilities and the potential of future projects, or if you like making projects out of a variety of materials, from lace to leather or wood, we would recommend the versatility of the Cricut Maker. If you're still not quite sure, head over to Cricut.com and take our super quick machine quiz. In less than a minute, you can get a custom recommendation just for you. Whichever machine you decide on, you've already made the right choice in choosing Cricut. We'll leave some links below to help more in your research process. If you're ready to purchase, you can find our machines on Cricut.com or at any of your favorite craft retailers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful DIY ideas, tips and tricks for using your Cricut machine, and so much more.